Hello everyone! My name is Sofia Janil A. Litargo and I will be your tutor for today. What comes into your mind when you hear the word rational? Is it the idea of reasoning or sanity? This definition is not applicable in mathematics. In mathematics, the word rational derives its meaning from the word ratio. As you know, a ratio can be expressed in fraction form. A very simple way of expressing a rational expression is to think of it as a fraction form whose numerator and denominator are polynomials. In this chapter, you will learn to simplify a rational expression, add and subtract a rational expression, multiply and divide a rational expression, and definitely solving equation involving rational expression. But first, what is rational expression? Rational expression is an expression that can be written in the form of P and Q, where P and Q are polynomials and Q is not equal to 0. Here are some examples of rational expressions. X plus 1 over x minus 2, x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 4, and then 4 over x plus 5. Take note, the denominator cannot be 0. The rational expression is undefined when the denominator is equals to... Yes, you're right. The expression of 2a squared over a minus 3 is undefined if a would be replaced by 3 because the denominator would be 0. Take note that we do not consider the numerator. We only consider the denominator because the expression would be undefined if the denominator is equals to 0. The process of cancellations can be used to reduce the number of steps in simplifying rational expressions. Cancellation is a method of dividing factor in the numerator by the same factor in the denominator. Since dividing by the same factor always gives 1, then factor cancel each other.
Simplifying of rational algebra expression. Rational algebra expression is a fraction which numerator and denominator are polynomials, kung saan yung denominator ay hindi dapat mag-equal sa 0. So, our given 6a to the 5th power over 8a cubed. So, ang first po natin gagawin is factor the numerator and denominator. Hahanapin po natin yung factor ng ating given. So, 2 times 3, 6. Lalagay po natin. Over 2 times 4, 8. Ang sunod po natin gagawin, ika-cancel out natin yung common factor. So, we have 2 sa denominator, cancel. We have a, cancel. Cancel. So, ang natira mo natin ay 3 over 4a squared. So, this is our final answer. This is the example of number 2. 20x to the 7th power y cubed over 35 5 minus 3 equals 2. So, ilalagay natin dito is 4x to the 5th power over 7 y squared. This is our final answer. Example number 3. 30x to the 5th power over 45x squared. Gagawin po natin ito is factor the numerator and denominator. Okay. 15 times 2x over 15 times 3. Okay. Ang next po natin gagawin is cancel out the common factor. We have numerator 15. We have denominator 15 cancel. We have 2x sa denominator cancel, cancel, cancel. So, ang natira is 2x cubed over 3. This is the final answer. Our number 4 examples is 35x to the 5th power over 49x squared. Ang gagawin po natin dyan is factor the numerator and denominator. Ganun po ulit ang gagawin natin. After that, we use GCF po. So, 7 times 5x x 4 po ang x natin dyan over 7 times 7 dalawa lang po ang x natin. After that, ang gagawin po natin dyan is cancel out common factor. We have 7 cancel. We have 2x cancel, cancel, cancel. So, ito po ang natira. 5 over 7x cubed. So, this is our final answer. This is our number 5 examples. 4x squared y cubed over 6x cubed and y. Ganun po ulit ang gagawin natin. Factor the numerator and denominator. 2 times 2x x y tatlo ang y natin over 2 times 3 tatlo po ang x natin and y. After that, cancel out the common factor. We have 2 cancel, cancel. We have 2x, cancel, cancel. We have 1y, cancel. So, ito po ang natira. 2 over 3 y squared and 3x. So, this is our final answer.
So here is the other example of simplifying rational expression. So number 6, a squared plus 2a over 2a plus 4. So we need to factor the numerator and the denominator. So in numerator, we have a times a plus 2. And for the denominator, we have 2a plus 4. It will be 2 times a plus 2. As you guys can see, we have the same numerator and denominator. So we will cancel both sides. So, ito na lang yung natitira. A at 2. So it will be a over 2. So this is the answer in number 6. So let's proceed to number 7. So we have another example, which is 3y squared plus 6y over 6y squared plus 9y. So here we can use the common monomial factoring to simplify the whole expression. So to get the number, we have 3, and for the variable, we have y. So 3y squared divided by 3y is equals to y. 6y divided by 3y is equals to 2 plus 2 over. So for the denominator, the common factor is also 3y. So 3y, 6y squared divided by 3y is equals to 2y. So 6y squared divided by 3y is equals to 2y. 9y divided by 3y is equals to plus 3. As you guys can see, we have the common factor for the numerator and then the denominator. So we will cancel this one and this one. So the remaining number is y plus 2 and 2y plus 3. So y plus 2 over 2y plus 3. So this is the final answer. So for the number 8, we have 2x plus 4 over x squared minus 4. So in this expression, we will do the factoring technique. So for the numerator, we will use the common monomial factoring, and for the denominator, we will use the differences of two squares. So when you factor out the numerator, it will give you 2 times x plus 2 over, for the denominator, it will give you x minus 2 times x plus 2. So as you guys can see, we have x plus 2 and x plus 2. So we have the same factor of numerator and denominator. So we will cancel this and this one. So the remaining is 2 over x minus 2. So this is our final answer. So here's the other example. So we have x squared minus 49 over 2x minus 14. So we will do the factoring technique also. So for the numerator, we will do the differences of two squares. And then for the denominator, we will do the common monomial factoring. So for the numerator, we have x squared minus 49. So it will give you x minus 7 times x plus 7. Then for the denominator of this one, it will give you 2 times x minus 7. So as you guys can see, they have the same numerator and denominator. So we will cancel. So the remaining number is x plus 7 over 2. So x plus 7 over 2. So this is our final answer. So now let's discuss about addition and subtraction of rational expression with like denominators. So kapag ka like denominators, ang gagawin lang natin is ikikip lang natin yung denominators. So kita nyo, magkaparehas sila ng denominators. So ikikip lang natin yan over, ikakopy lang natin itong dalawang to, which is 5y minus 3 and 3y plus 2. So 5y minus 3 plus 3y plus 2. And then after that, ipapag-plus naman natin itong dalawang to, yung magkaparehas na variable. So 5y and 3y. So 5y plus 3y equals 8y. And then negative 3 plus 2 equals negative 1 over x. So, ito na yung ating final answer. So, ayun lang. Pinag-plus lang natin itong magkaparehas na ito, which is 5y and 3y. And then, itong negative 3 at itong 2. So, kaya siya is naging negative 1. So, let's move on to another example. So, the next example is 10x minus 5 over 2x plus 1 plus 8 minus 4x over 2x plus 1. So, ikakopy lang uli natin yung denominator. So, 2x plus 1 and then copy 10x minus 5. I-add lang natin. And then after that, pwede niyong lagyan ng parenthesis, pwede ding hindi. So, it's up to you. Kasi addition na naman to. So, pag addition, pwedeng hindi mo nalagyan ng parenthesis, pwede ding hindi. So, nasa sa'yo yun. So, next, 10 plus negative 4x equals 6x. Negative 5 plus 8 equals 3 over 2x plus 1. So, dito naman, ang gagawin natin is, hahanapin natin yung common monomial factor niya. So, ang common monomial factor niya is 3, and then the factor is 2x plus 1 over yung denominator, 2x plus 1. So, as you guys can see, magkaparehas na sila ng numerator and denominator. As you guys can see, magkaparehas na sila ng numerator and denominator. Kaya i-cancel na natin siya. So, ang natira na lang is 3. So, ang magiging sagot niya is, dito na lang natin lagay. 3. So, this is our final answer. So, here we have x plus 6 over x squared minus x minus 20 plus 2x minus 21 over x squared minus x minus 20. So, ganun lang uli yung gagawin natin. Ikakopy lang uli natin yung denominator, which is x squared minus x minus 20. And then, yung nasa taas niya, ikakopy lang uli natin. So, i-add natin siya. So, x plus 6 plus 2x minus 21. So, the next step is, ipagpa-plus natin yung x and 2x. So, it would be 3x. And then, 6 plus negative 21, it would be negative 15. And then, ikakopy lang natin yung denominator. And then, after that, kukunin natin yung common monomial factor ng 3x minus 15. So, it would be 3x minus 5 over, ano sa tingin nyo ang denominator dito? So, sa tingin ko, ang denominator niya is x minus 5 and x plus 4. Kasi, feeling ko na kung ano yung nasa numerator na nakalagay dito, posibleng lumabas siya sa denominator. So, tingnan natin. So, sa negative 20, which is dito sa denominator, ang factor niya is 4 and 5. So, 5 times 4 is equals to 20. Then, para malaman natin yung sign niya, so, dahil ito ay minus, so, magiging plus ito and ito naman yung minus. So, for me, magiging minus kung ano yung, so, for me, minus yung mas malaking number and then yung mas maliit naman yung plus. So, kita nyo, magkasame na sila ng term. So, yung numerator and yung denominator natin, meron na siyang common term. So, kakancel na natin yan. So, ang natira na lang is 3 over x plus 4. So, yung remaining, yun yung sagot natin. So, 3 over x plus 4. So, this is our final answer.
Hi everyone, I'm Marelo. I'm the tutor for today. Subtraction and rational expression. Letter A. F over f plus 3 minus 3 over f plus 3 equals, subtract lang natin ang f tsaka 3. Magiging sagot ay f minus 3, copy lang ang denominator. Ito na ang sagot. Ito naman, example number 2. 9x squared over 3x minus 5 minus 25 over 3x minus 5. Gagawin natin. Copy lang natin ang 9x squared minus tsaka 25 kabilang ulit ng denominator equals 3x plus 5. 3x minus 5. Gagawin natin, kakancel natin ito. Ito na ang final answer natin. 3x plus 5.
So now, we will be discussing about the addition and subtraction of rational expression in different denominators. So as you can see, magkaiba sila ng denominators, which is x plus 4 and x minus 2. So ang una muna natin gagawin is hahanapin natin yung LCD nitong dalawang to. So the LCD is x plus 4 and x minus 2. So ang susundin lang natin na rule is divide and times. And then, uunahin muna natin tong x plus 4 na i-divide. So, x plus 4 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 4, cancel, cancel. So, x minus 2 yung natira. So, yun yung kukopyahin natin. As well as itong 3. So, huwag niyong iiwan yung 3. And then, kakopy lang natin yung denominator. So, x plus 4. And then, ito namang x minus 2. So, x plus 4 times x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So, cancel, cancel ulit. And then, natira is x plus 4. So, huwag niyong iiwanan yung numerator, which is 2. So, x minus x plus 4. So, the denominator, ikakopy lang natin. So, pagkatapos natin i-copy yung denominator, ang next naman is multiply. So, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Plus, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. Over the denominator, which is this one. So, the next step naman is meron na siyang similar na variable. So, ipa-plus lang natin yan. So, 3x plus 2x is equals to 5x, and negative 6 plus 8 is equals to plus 2 over x plus 4 times x minus 2. So, this is our final answer. So, yung iba, ang ginagawa nila is sinisimplify pa nila yung denominator. So, pwedeng mag-stop na kayo dito, pero meron pa tayong possible na sagot. So, or, kung gusto niyo i-simplify yung denominator, 5x plus 2 over x squared plus 2x minus 8. X squared plus 2x minus 8. So, ito na yung sinimplify natin na denominator. So, kung gusto nyo, pwedeng stop na kayo, pero pwede nyo ding i-simplify yung denominator. So, this is our final answer. So, we have our last example, which is 2x plus 1 over x plus 3 over x minus 2. So, hahanapin uli natin yung LCD nila. So, the LCD is x and x minus 2. So, this is our LCD. The next step is, ang operation uli na gagamitin natin is divide and times. So, ito muna yung uunahin natin. So, x times x minus 2 divided by x, cancel, cancel. So, ito yung natira. So, ikakopy lang natin. X minus 2 and then 2x plus 1. Over. So, the next naman is kakopy lang natin yung denominator. So, the next step is ito naman. So, x times x minus 2 over x minus 2. So, cancel, cancel. So, x na lang natira. Magiging 3 times x. So, ikakopy lang uli natin yung denominator. So, dahil binomial itong x minus 2 and 2x plus 1, x minus 2 and 2x plus 1, so, ang gagawin naman natin dyan is, ifo-FOIL method natin siya. So, x times 2x squared plus x times 1 is x. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4. So, x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 1 is x. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. And negative 2 times 1, 2. So, we have 2x squared plus x minus 4x minus 2. So, final method lang natin siya dahil binomial itong dalawang ito. So, it will be 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 plus 3 times x is 3x over x times x minus 2. So, kinopy lang natin yung denominator. So, dito, pinalit lang natin siya here. Dito. And then, itong 3x, kaya naging 3x yan. 3 times x is 3x. So, alsin lang natin to. We have here 3x and 3x. Meron tayong similar na variable. So, 3x and 3x. So, 3x times 3x is 0. So, magiging 2x squared minus 2 na lang siya. So, the denominator, kakopy lang natin siya. So, this will be our final answer. Pero pwede nyo pang i-simplify yung denominator kung gusto nyo. So, erasin lang muna natin to kasi hindi nakasya. Or, 2x squared minus 2 over x squared minus 2x. So, this is our final answer. So, pwedeng dito mag-stop na kayo. Pwede nyo ding, pero pwede nyo ding i-simplify yung denominator. So, yun lang.
Hello everyone, I'm discussing division operation of rational.
Example number 1. X squared minus 9 over x minus 3. Then change the operation to multiplication. Then flip the second fraction. X minus 3 over x plus 3. Then get the, kung pwede siya natin i-factor out, ipa-factor out natin. Ang factor out ng x squared minus 9 is x plus 3, then x minus 3 over x minus 3 times x minus 3 over x plus 3. Then we cancel x minus 3 and x minus 3. Then cancel din natin itong numerator. Pwede natin na lang ay x minus 3. Ito ang ating final answer. We have example number 2. Total, hindi na natin siya kailangan i-factor out. Ika-cancel na lang natin siya. They calculate the first fraction, x plus 5 over x minus 2 times x plus 1. Panta natin ang division ng multiplication. Then, i-reciprocal natin itong dalawa. Pwede maging x minus 2 times x plus 3. X plus over x plus 5. Cancel na natin siya. Cancel na natin yung dito. Then cancel natin yung ito. Then ang natin na lang ay x plus 3. Then x plus 1. I-copy na natin. x plus 3 over x plus 1. Ito ang ating final answer. We have example number 3. Kagaya ng una, ika-copy at ano lang natin. Copy the first fraction, x minus 5 over 6. Then, palitan natin ito ng multiplication. Then, i-reciprocal natin itong second fraction. Di magiging 12. I-factor out natin itong nasa numerator. Then, 2 times x. Ang factor natin ay 5 minus 5. Then, pwede na tayo mag-cancel. I-cancel natin ito. Then, pwede din natin i-cancel itong dalawa. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Then, 6 divided by 12 is 2. Cancel na natin ito. Then, magkapareho siya, kailangan din natin cancel. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then, 2 divided by 2 is 1 din. Then, magiging sagot na lang natin yan. 1 over 1 or 1. We have example number 2. Ganun ulit. Kakapin lang ulit natin. Tapos, i-reciprocal at palitan yung operation. Factor out muna natin. 6 times x. Ang factor nito is 3. Negative 3. Over 4x. Copy natin yung denominator. Palitan natin yung operation. Times. Factor out din natin ito. Then, i-reciprocal natin. Yung copy natin ito, x. Then, i-reciprocal natin kung nasa taas. Which is 2 times x. Ang factor nito ay 3 minus 3. Then, cancel na lang natin. Cancel na natin ito. Then, cancel na natin yung x dito. Then, pwede rin tayo mag-cancel. I-cancel din natin ito at ito. I-divide natin siya sa 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 6 is 3. Then, pwede natin siyang pwede na natin yung isama yung 1, hindi magiging sagot ay 3 over 4. Ito ang final answer natin. We have example number 5. Ganun ulit, i-factor out, patan yung operation, then reciprocal. Factor out na first fraction. Ang factor na yan ay x plus 3 times x minus 3 over 4 then times x. Ang factor niya ay 3. Di-divide natin siya sa 3. 3, 6, 12. 3 din ang sagot. Palitan natin yung operation. Hindi naman natin siya kailangan i-factor out. I-reciprocal na lang natin yan. Magiging 2 yung denominator. 2 yung denominator dito. At dito magiging x plus 3. Then cancel na natin. Cancel. Cancel din na natin ito. Then ito na lang yung matira. 4 over 2.
So we are done discussing the simplifying of rational expressions, the operation of rational expressions. So this is our last topic, which is the rational equation. So what do you think is a rational equation? So rational equation, it is an equation that contains rational expression. So we have here the example of rational expression and rational equation. So what do you think is the difference between rational expression and rational equation? So for example, 1 over 8x plus 1 half and 1 over 8x plus 1 half equals 1/4. So the difference between rational expression and rational equation is ginagamit natin yung equal sign. Samantalang sa rational expression, hindi tayo gumagamit ng equal sign. So the first example is 5x over 6 minus 1 half equals 1/3. So ang una muna nga hanapin natin dito is yung LCD nitong 6, 2, and 3. So, ang LCD nila ay 6. So, we have 5x over 6 minus, ikakopy lang natin, 1/2 equals 1/3. And then our LCD is 6. So we will multiply the LCD here sa first term, second term, and third term. So, i-multiply natin yung LCD, which is yung 6, dito. So, ika-cancel na natin tong 6. And then, ang matitira na lang is 5x minus 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3 times 1 equals to 3. And then 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2 times 1 is equals to 2. So after natin i-multiply, ang gagawin naman natin is itatranspose lang natin itong negative 3 at itong 2. So magiging 5x equals 2 plus 3. Tinranspose lang natin sila. So, after natin i-transpose, ang gagawin naman natin is ipagpa-plus natin yung 2 at 3. So, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So, ikakopy lang natin itong 5x. So, 5x equals 2 plus 3, 5 over 5. Cancel, cancel, equals 1. So, try natin siyang i-check kung tama ba yung sagot natin. So, here, titingnan lang natin kung tama ba yung sagot natin kanina. So, if x is equals to 1, so ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute lang natin yung x into 1. So, magiging 5, 1 over 6 minus 1/2 equals 1/3. So, yan, na-substitute na natin. So, ang gagawin naman natin is isi-simplify naman natin sila. So, 5 times 1 is 5 over 6 minus, kakopy lang natin. Then, after that, i-divide natin itong LCD here. So, 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1 times 5 is equals to 5. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3 times 1 is equals to 3. And then, kakopy lang natin. So, after that, ipagmaminus naman natin to. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 equals 1/3. So, magiging 6. So, kapag ka nilowest term na natin, yung 2 over 6, magiging 1/3 na lang siya. So, meaning, tama yung sagot natin. So, let's move on to another example.
Here's the second example of rational equation. 2 over x minus 3 over 2x equal 1 over 5. We need to find the LCD. Our LCD is 10x. Sulat natin dito, 10x times 2 over x minus 3 over 2x equal 1 over 5. Kailangan natin siyang i-multiply. Cancel natin itong x. Cancel natin ito. Then, 10 times 2 is 20x. Then, 10x times 3 is 30x. Then, 10x times 1 equals 10x. Copy lang natin yung denominator. Then, we need to cancel. Cancel na natin to. Cancel na natin to. Cancel na din natin to. At cancel din na natin to. Then, i-ano na natin siya, yung simplify na natin. I-divide natin siya. 20, copy na lang, hindi naman siya may divide. 30 divide 2 is 15. 10 divide 5 is 2x. Then, ito yung pinaka magiging sagot niya. Pag ma-minus natin siya, tapos ito yung magiging sagot niya. 5 equals 2x. Ang magiging x natin is 5 over 2. Then, we need to check. Check natin. Checking. Kailangan natin i-substitute yung x sa 5 over 2. Di-copy natin 2 over 2 over 5 minus 2 over 2 times 2 over 5 equals 1 over 5. Then, kailangan natin siyang i-reciprocal. Dapat magiging multiplication. Di, isimplify na natin. Di magiging 2 times 2 over 5 minus 3 over 5 equals 1 over 5. So, then, ito ibababa lang din natin. Ito yung pinakasagot natin. Tama na yung check natin dito. Number 3, example. We have x squared minus 4x over x minus 2 equals 14 minus 9x over x minus 2. We find the LCD. Magiging LCD niya lang ay itong 2x. Then, copy the LCD. Then, times, copy natin to. Yung 2x squared, 2 squared, minus 4x over 1 minus 2. Copy din natin itong second fraction. Kailangan natin siyang i-cancel kasi pareho siya. Then, i-copy na lang natin itong numerator na to. Di magiging squared minus 4x equals 14 minus 9x. Dito may ano tayo, so yung resulting solution. Kailangan natin siyang itong 14 minus 9x, kailangan natin siyang ilipat dito. Di magiging x squared minus 4x plus 14 minus 9x equal 0. Then dito, kailangan natin siyang i-combine like terms para ma-solve. Combine like terms natin yung 4x tsaka yung 9x. I-copy na lang to, x squared plus 5x. Then, ito, kailangan natin siyang, copy na lang to, equals 0. Di magiging x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals 0. Then, dito, kailangan natin siyang i-factor out para ma-solve natin siya. Ang factor ng, ng 5x at 14 ay x plus 7, x minus 2. Para, yung 2 minus 7 is 5 then. 7 minus 2 is 14. Then, kailangan natin siyang i-simplify. Magiging x plus negative 7 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. E di ang magiging x lang natin dyan ay ito. Ito. Kailangan natin siyang i-check yung dalawang nating sagot. Yung negative 7 muna. Kailangan i-substitute ito. Di magiging negative 7 squared minus 4 times negative 7 over negative 7 minus 2 equals 14 minus 9 times negative 7 over negative 7 minus 2. Di magiging ipag-aano natin siya. Di magiging 49 plus 28 over 7 minus 2, negative 7 minus 2 is magiging 9. Then, ito din. I-copy na lang natin siya. Then, 9 times negative 7 is positive 63. Then, isusubtract din natin, pagpa-plusin din natin siya, magiging siyang positive 9. Tapos, ipagpa-plus natin yung 49 plus 28, magiging 77. I-copy na lang natin ito. 14 plus 63, magiging 77. I-copy na lang din natin ito. Ito yung sagot natin. Pag dito naman sa number 2, hindi natin siya ma-check ng maayos kasi ang lalabas dito ay 0. Sa dalawang to. Kaya, hindi siya magiging final answer. E di ang magiging ang tawag sa kanya, extraneous solution. E di magiging final answer lang natin ay itong 7 equals negative 7. Yun na po.